Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a timer in Card.co to create urgency for your sales pages, product launches, or upcoming events. Let's get into it. First, insert the timer element. Card includes a dedicated widget for countdowns, so you don't need any external plugins or complicated code to get started. Click the plus icon in the top toolbar and select Timer. A default countdown clock will appear on your canvas. In the Settings panel on the left, make sure the type is set to count down to a specific date, or Duration to count down a set amount of time from when the user lands on the page. Next, this is the most critical step because it determines exactly when the clock hits 0. If you get the timing wrong, your promotion might end too early or too late for your audience. Under the Timer tab, locate the Date and Time fields. Use the Calendar picker to select your deadline. If you are launching a product at a specific moment worldwide, select a fixed time zone. This ensures the timer hits 0000 at the exact same moment for every person on Earth, regardless of where they are. Once your clock is ticking, you want it to look like it belongs on your site rather than a generic widget. Click on the Appearance tab, the paintbrush icon, to start customizing. Make the numbers bold and large so they stand out. Use a high contrast color like bright red or orange for the digits to draw the eye, but keep the labels in a more neutral tone. To make the timer really pop, give the element its own background color or a subtle border with rounded corners to frame the urgency. And that's pretty much it. To add a timer in Card.co, click the plus icon, select Timer, and set your target date. Pay close attention to the time zone setting to ensure it ends at the right moment for your specific audience. Finally, use the Appearance tab to style the numbers and colors so the countdown fits your brand perfectly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.